Hi friends, choosing a wonderful theme for your website project is always a challenging task, and your website success depends on the selection of theme. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you, and if you have decided to make a website for car rental, real estate, mobile app landing page, design agency, church, model portfolio, jewelry, washing and ironing, consultancy and single product, and SEO concept, this video is for you. So I am with Lagom WordPress theme. It is a multi-concept WordPress theme, so there are multiple options, as I told you, available with this theme, and all the designs has a stunning look in itself, and any can be used depending upon your category of business or requirement. So these are the options, and I am going to give you the link of these options in the description of this video, and you can, if you are your business category lies in this segment, you can definitely choose this theme, and this is going to be a good catch for you, and I'll show you some demo as well. So Lagom has been developed by the theme ton, and they are elite authors. The theme was developed in 2018, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So this is the latest update, and why this is why I chosen this theme for the demo, that it has got the latest update as well. I'm just showing some of the demo website out of many. This is the model website from the Lagom theme, and you can see the quality of design. It is having a stunning look, and hover concept is also very good. And this is the jewelry version. So jewelry version is here. And this is the single product. All having good look. So I'm just showing some more. So let us check the digital agency. This is the digital agency demo layout. It is also having a good and stunning, clear and aesthetic look. In this video we are going to install the Lagom theme with any one of these demo which I shown you. I have a press installation of WordPress for this with the latest version of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got documentation, dummy data, so all dummy data is here. You can choose any of the dummy website for your purpose. There are many, so I don't think you have to make another theme choice if your business category matches from any of these options. And licensing part is here, the main theme file and the child theme file is here, and changelog information is also here. So let us begin the installation without any further delay. For this you have to go in the theme section of WordPress and add new, upload theme, choose file. You have to choose Lagom .zip here, and if you are having direct access on your server. You can upload directly in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time. And the theme file size is moderate, so it is not so big. It will not take more than a minute in uploading. It is just 15.73 MB in size. It got uploaded in seconds, and now we can extract. And the extraction outcome is this Lagom folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folder and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. Okay, fine. So we can go to the theme section again, and now we have Lagom as another theme option. We can check the details. This is Lagom version 1.2 multi-purpose business consulting and creative theme. Activate it now, and upon activation we got an alert to install necessary plugins. I must show you what plugins it requires. This theme is made on Redux framework. Redux is the best framework which I believe for the WordPress, and this is going to be an added advantage that you are working with the smart framework, which brings a faster website always. And let us see the plugin list of plugins, and these are the list of plugins. Mostly are required plugins and 2 are recommended. So I am installing all the plugins in one go, and if you are not sure about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one. Don't take a risk for error, and it will not take much time, in fact. So all plugins has been installed. Now we can activate all. I am just leaving the invert to market, it is not required. Okay, themes. The theme and the plugins has been installed now, and just refresh the page to check if there is any error, just in case, or it may require certain setup. Like we have installed the WooCommerce, so WooCommerce need a basic setup. So I am just putting the sample data. You should put the original one as applicable for you. Here you need to choose Lagom, continue with my active theme. No need to install Jetpack for the time being, we can install it later. And now the WooCommerce basic setup is also complete, and all the plugins has been installed properly now. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme. And this is the basic look of Lagom theme without any demo content. So now at this stage we definitely need some demo data to complete our website setup and to get a ready website for further customization. We have to choose import demo data option under appearance section, and all the demos are here. As you choose, all are here. as per your requirement. You can select any. So as we have seen the model option, and I must tell you, this is this theme fully supports the WooCommerce option, and if you are in plan to use this your website as e-commerce website, you can choose that particular theme. And we have already installed the WooCommerce as well, and as we have seen the model one, I'm importing. Okay, so we can import any. Let me choose any one for you in this video. Okay, all are nice in fact, so I'm just confused which one I should choose, but we have seen the model. I am importing the model one, and import is going on. It will take some time as it also downloads the media file. Your patience is required here. Just be on this page, don't try to leave or refresh this page. Let the process get complete. You will reach on this page, this message. That's it, all done. And we can definitely now deactivate the one-click demo import plugin. Now we can check our website, how it looks with the model option of this theme. And yes, it was so simple. We got the website ready as is seen in the demo, and you can see how easy it was in fact. So the complete website is here with all the function and functionalities. It is wonderful, and we can check the inner pages as well. Okay, it has got a wonderful look. And the menu is marvelous in fact. Okay, fine. So we have completed the installation of Lagom theme with the model demo, and as I told you, you can choose any of the demo website. There are many in fact, so here only 10 is displayed, but in the inner panel it was many. And these are the demo website available in the theme. Like charity was not listed there, but charity is here. And it is wonderful, no doubt it is wonderful. So you can choose any of these website. Okay, fine. I'm just clicking randomly. That was not required in this video. So fine, we have these options with the Lagom theme, and I'm just repeating this, and the theme got installed very smoothly, so there is no any question for not choosing this theme. You have a stunning look website with this theme, and you can now customize it easily. Now I'll show you the theme options, what we got additional in the WordPress installation with this theme, and all these are the common options. I'm just showing you the additional what we got in the theme. These are the header, and since we have imported the model, only model header is here, and footer is also here. Additionally, mega menu is additional one. Cause is used for, in fact, the charity website, and hotel room is for hotel, rent is for rental website. So these three are not required and it can be removed from plugin section. And WooCommerce is here, and so I'll just take you to the theme option. These are the theme options available in the Lagom theme, and this is general setting where you can change some general settings. Color option is here, you can definitely change the theme color, it is good. Font you can handle, header you can handle, and logo can be changed from here. Page title, footer, post, page, portfolio, archive, sidebar, 404, and import export. So these are the options available in the theme panel to handle the website, and it is complete in fact. So no challenge in customization as well, but I'll show you how to customize any page at this website. Since we have installed the model one, I'll show you how to edit this page. Now let us say we need to edit the home page, so just click on edit page. And since the theme uses the WP Bakery page builder, it is simple to edit. You can see the pencil options here. You can change or edit any part of page just clicking on this pencil icon. So text and images can be changed from here. You can see text is here. So it is very simple, and you do not need any technical knowledge for this, and you can even change or replace the theme, the page part. And I'll advise you to just make a duplicate of page, whatever page you are editing, with a duplicator plugin, and that will keep the main structure of page as a backup for you. Just in case you made any error, you can handle or restore the backup page, and it is simple to customize. So we can conclude that we have successfully installed the Lagom theme with the model demo, and all demos can be, any of the demo can be installed at the website smoothly as we did for the model, and the outcome website is wonderful, no doubt. So and if you have any question regarding this theme installation or the customization options, you can definitely get in touch with me in the comment section of this video, and I am also giving the link of my website where you can get this theme in the latest version, and even hosting plan is also available there, so you can choose the best one for you. The best performing hosting plans are there, so just be with this channel and don't forget to subscribe this channel, as I am going to bring some wonderful themes and plugin utilities in coming videos. Keep watching. Thank you very much.